Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ad, and that is how to integrate your Calendly CRM with Facebook Pixel. So basically Calendly is a tool through which we can schedule meeting with our customer, and we can implement the same on our website, so that if visitor will land on our website, they will directly book our a meeting, and then we can discuss with them and convert them easily. So the thing is, we are not able to track the exact conversion that is coming from the Calendly account. So in today's video I will let you know how to implement Pixel in the Calendly backend. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to integrate your Facebook Pixel with Cleanly. So as you know, Cleanly is a tool. With the help of that, we can set up meetings with our clients, and we'll give this option in our websites as well. Through that, people will schedule a meeting at their preferable time, and we can meet them. So it is a tool which we'll use to schedule meeting, and if we need to track whether the person who's coming on website and fill up the Cleanly form and set up a meeting have scheduled the call or not in our Facebook event manager section, then we need to integrate the Facebook Pixel with the tool like Cleanly tool. So let me show you how to do it. As you know, this is first of all, you just need to have a login credential of your Calendly account, as I have my login credential and I have successful login into the account. And as you can see here, we have different options like event type, meeting, recap, availability, contacts, workflow, and integration and apps. And integration and apps is the option where we can integrate our Facebook Pixel with this app. So we just need to click on the integration and app section, and as you can see here, there are a lot of options there like Zoom, Salesforce, Google Meeting, HubSpot. There are a lot of integrating options here. So you need to choose the Facebook one, as this is the Facebook Pixel one. So you just need to click on the manage integration, and here you need to add your pixel. As I have already added my pixel, you just need to put it that and click on the connect button. Right now it's showing you the disconnect button, but once you add your pixel here, it will give you the connect button. You just need to connect it, and after that your events will be automatically created in the Facebook event manager section, and with the help of that you can track the meeting which schedule through the Calendly account in your FB ads account, and you can manage the campaign properly and optimize it further more wisely. So let me show you where you can see the events in the event manager section, which is automatically created once we have connected our pixel here. Now we are at the dashboard of our Facebook ads account, and now we just need to go to the all section, all tool section, and then we need to go to the event manager. And once we on the event manager section, we just need to check whether this is the same metapixel which we have implemented in the backend of the Calendly account. As you can see, I have implemented this pixel which is right here, and I have implemented the same in the Calendly integration and app section. And as you can see, now our all events is automatically created, like invite event type page, inviting scheduling page, inviting select time, select day, and inviting meeting scheduling. And meeting scheduling is our main, you can say, it's like a thank you page. When somebody count on this event, it means the meeting is scheduled properly. So now we can track this event in our conversion campaign, and with the help of that we will able to track conversion and accordingly optimize our campaign for better conversions and increase the CTR and conversion rate as well. So this is how we integrate our Calendly pixel with the Facebook event manager section. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query or concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. Bye bye.